back to my channel. So I created a couple cards with Stampers Life's card kit of the month, and I used these little jimmies and these puffy stickers that have little faces on them. And for the die, it was hanging there, but I didn't use that one. And I used these marshmallow stickers, puffy stickers. And for the die of the month was called S'mores, 2 stamps and s'more, and I got the dies comes with it. And isn't the die so cute? The die so cute. So I used the sentiments that's sending you some more love. And for the kit, we got A1 Deco Edge card kit die set. And it comes with these words: hello, happy birthday, wishes, happy happy birthday, and celebrate. So yes, and I created a couple cards with this. So for the first card, I created sending you more love, and this is where I put some jimmies, and I cut out what is this called, the marshmallows and the graham crackers. Oh, you could also have a paper pad that came with it. And then with this one, I used some steam binding ribbon, and I cut out happy birthday, and I used one of these puffy stickers. And he's so cute. I think these cards turned out kind of cute. And then for this one, I used some of the brown ribbon, and it says friends has more funds, meaning they have more funds with these graham crackers. Funny, I don't eat these. I don't like marshmallows. Not marshmallows. The s'mores, I don't like s'mores. I don't know. Like graham crackers by themselves, yummy. Marshmallows by themselves, yummy. Even the Hershey chocolate bars, yummy by themselves. But somehow when you go put the three together, I don't know. It doesn't work in my mouth. It just doesn't work. So basically, that's what I have for you. And so until next time, like and subscribe. See ya.